Okay, so what I'm going to do, since we are doing laundry tomorrow, I'm going to wash her carpets, the mat. The bunny won't be living here, but I will put down the carpets again. When they're cleaned, I will put it down after again, just so you know. She will be having her toilet here. Hi! Okay, a little update. Nenis is still very confused. I cleaned this area, as you saw, and then my camera died, so I had to charge the battery a little bit. I decided to make it a little bit taller because I realized the cage that's coming with him is 120 wide. So from there to kind of here, yeah, I kind of measured it. So I decided to make it a tiny bit bigger. But that's just his start home, since I can't have him with Nenis right away. They're gonna be neighbors, so they get used to each other. Then I'm gonna introduce them and all that, yada yada yada. So right now I'm just gonna put down blankets. These blankets are, I have 2 more. They are neutral, or Nenis haven't been on them at all. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then pretty much finished. Hello, it's the next day, and We're actually going right now to pick up the bunny, so I won't obviously be able to film inside because it's disrespectful, it's kind of awkward, but I'll show you him in the car. But let's go.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
We're going to buy rabbits.
Yes.
Ja, det är upp där istället. Det kanske inte här.
Hello. Hej Tina. Hej. Titta Tina. Okay, we are home. I was thinking, I think he's scared. It's a bit different reading because rabbits have different personalities. I was thinking maybe I put him here first just to get like kind of used to the scent just a little bit, and then I don't know, maybe I should introduce them like before I put him in the other cage, or I don't know, it's like okay, so he got kind of mad when I tried to pet him. I mean, obviously he's not used to me, but he's underneath my bed right now. I just wanted to get used to it a little bit, but I don't want to leave him in my room. But my room is like more neutral. I mean, it smells like me, just to have him kind of get used to it. Oh, he's really big. No? Not interested? Oh, he's very pretty. I have 3 names. I have Milo, Dexter, or Elvis. The more I look at him, the less I feel like I should name him Milo, but I'm actually not sure. Kind of feel like Elvis, sort of, but also not really. Let me know what you think. Maybe Milo, because most people wanted me to name him Milo. Okay, so he's used to dogs and cats, so that's good. He's exploring. Look at his little bum. I guess I'm going to introduce them in the bathroom a little bit, just like a little bit, not really start with the bonding process, but more just like introduce them so they know, like, so I don't just put him in the kitchen since that's Nini's area. Maybe I can put this cage in there so to have her smell it. I don't know, maybe that's a good idea, just so it's not like in your face. I really wonder how she's going to react. Okay, so she knows there's something. What is it? Vad är det, Nini? Is it an annan kanin? Okay, so he just laid down. He's laying down flat, which means he's relaxed, which I'm very surprised by. It took a little while before my rabbit, or he's mine now, but Nini's, before she decided to do this. I don't know if you can see, but he's laying down straight. He didn't do a flop, but he's laying down, which is really good. So I'm gonna let him be here for a little bit. Let him chill, relax, get used to it. And Nini's is in here. Okay, so she's handling this pretty well, I think. That's really good. I'm really happy she's not like scared or reacting in a bad way. Like, I heard if you come home smelling like another rabbit, your rabbit could attack you, because it's like, this is my place. I think she's licking the blanket. Oh my goodness. I have his cage here. It's like it's very big, this cage. I didn't realize. I don't know how he's gonna jump out here, but we'll see. I put his litter box there. He's not litter trained like in a box, but he has a corner where he pees and poops, so I'm gonna make sure he does that in there. And then I don't like to use this, but she had this whole thing, so it's not like, why would I throw it away, you know? So I will put this here as well, just to use it up. I can't use it on Nini's because it gets stuck everywhere. We're going to put both rabbits in here just to have them meet. This is all neutral. The blanket is neutral, like we washed it and everything, so it's totally fine. It's best to have them meet here since it's neutral, and they've already kind of smelled each other. Like, not each other, but like each other's scents. Like I gave the owl to him, and she licked the cage thingy. So yeah, I'll be right back until I have the rabbits. Okay, so this was really, really hard. Look at my shirt. That's his fur. So I don't like to use water bowls either, but since he's used to it for now, I'm gonna have it, and I will also have a bowl, water bowl. What's going on? You're supposed to poop in there, stupid. I swear to God, he was just eating salad. Oh, yes. Oh my God. I didn't get the camera in time, but he actually did a flop, which I'm very surprised about because he doesn't seem too comfortable. I don't know, but now he seems more comfortable. But whenever I'm in it or when like he doesn't really like me to pet him. I mean, it's obvious as it's not weird. Like he's I don't know home and he's like, what the fuck is this? And there's a rabbit fucking biting me, you know. So obviously, so I get that, but yeah. Okay, so unfortunately I had to make this a little smaller just because of the roofing. It didn't really work out well. I'm going to take him out sometimes, but this is just a start, and I've secured it a lot just to make sure that Nini's doesn't get in. But yeah, that's it. I'm actually going to the grocery store now to buy some more salad and stuff. But thank you for watching this video. If you want any other videos like this, like if you want any updates or if you have any questions or you know, and things like that, let me know. I'll see you in my next video. I love you, bye.